If you're curious about the new hearing tests available on Apple phones, this video is for you. The tests on the phone we're discovering as we have patients take tests on their phones and then come take them professionally in a sound booth, they are much more accurate in a controlled environment in the sound booth at an audiologist clinic.
I had this experience where I took the test. It showed that there was a little bit of hearing loss in the high frequencies, and I thought to myself, I wonder if Dr. Whitaker tested me in a sound-treated booth under sound-treated headphones that are specialized for hearing tests in a very controlled environment. How would my test results look compared to the test results that I acquired by putting my AirPod Pro 2s in with my phone in a quiet room, and I took a test in the quiet of my home. The test results were different. My hearing was actually better than what the iPhone suggested it was. So the iPhone results across the board, whether it was me or some of the individuals we've had participate in some of this study, across the board, the iPhone results are a little bit exaggerated, but then at the same time, they're not as accurate in some of the frequencies, especially the high frequencies, to know how bad is this. So the idea that if it's suggesting on your iPhone that you have some hearing loss, going and seeing a professional to see how severe is it, or what level of hearing loss do you actually have? I love that idea. Okay, everybody, we so appreciate you watching the video today. If you've liked what you've seen, please like it, subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us, but it also means the world to other people who are trying to figure out what's going on with their hearing health. So thank you for watching.